This lecture points out library databases with content from magazines, newspapers, and other types of news and general information sources. While I have no doubt in your abilities to find magazine and newspaper articles on the web, I want to make sure you are aware of some library databases that have full text content from these kinds of popular or general audience sources. The Discover search on the library's homepage will find magazine and news articles that contain your keywords from many different library databases in one search. Remember that you can prompt Discover to show you only certain source types with just a click of the mouse. Points of View Reference Center is a product of the EBSCO-host database company, the makers of the Discover search. So these two databases have the exact same functionality. Notice that this database also contains radio and TV news transcripts, which are also good, popular sources of information. Points of View Reference Center is similar to Opposing Viewpoints in Context. Remember that Opposing Viewpoints in Context contains many kinds of sources, including magazines, newspapers, radio, news broadcasts, and videos from educational television programs. Academic OneFile, another database by the Gale Company, has magazines, news, audio, and video sources as well. National Newspapers Core database has full text articles going back into the 1980s from the New York Times, the Washington Post, the Los Angeles Times, the Christian Science Monitor, and the Wall Street Journal. Press Reader contains online current editions of newspapers from around the world. LexisNexis is similar, and it contains current and archival full text from newspapers around the world, magazines, and broadcast media transcripts. Some databases include citation tools that cite the source in various citation styles. If you use these, make sure that they are formatted correctly because sometimes a database's citation is flawed. That's the end of the lecture. Post any questions you have on Week 6's course content discussion board.